Hi, I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Garden Nerd, and this is a low-budget follow-up video to our YouTube video from last October on planting and growing potatoes in pots. As you may recall, we started by growing 2 potatoes in 2 different pots. One was a cow pot, that is a biodegradable pot made from cow manure, and the other was a ceramic Italian pot. Both used the same soil, the same kind of potatoes, and both potatoes had 2 sets of eyes on each piece. And we gave them the same amount of water, same amount of sunlight, same amount of fertilizer, and I'm here to share you the results. First of all, as we grew the potatoes, we only originally filled the pot about halfway full of soil, and as the potatoes grew in both pots, we added more soil to cover the foliage. Eventually, both pots were full up to the brim with soil, and there was lots of foliage. As the foliage started dying back, we think it happened a little bit early, and that's probably because we used whatever we had in the pantry. We didn't use certified disease-free seed potatoes, so there was probably a blight situation there. Regardless, the results were still pretty good. You plant 1 potato and you get a lot more, and I'll show you about that in a minute. So harvesting, we basically, as you can see in the picture, took the pot in hand and dumped it into a trough, and then started sorting out the potatoes. It couldn't be easier. And then we tallied up our totals, and what we have here, these are the potatoes from the cow pot, and it's a bigger bucket, and this is a bigger bucket than I have here, and these are the potatoes from the ceramic Italian pot. Now, in numbers, the cow pot yielded 10 potatoes with 1 little tiny potato. The ceramic pot yielded 10 potatoes with 4 little tiny potatoes. The size of the potatoes were a little bit different, more from the ceramic, and I noticed that the root system in the ceramic pot was more vigorous than the cow pot. Not sure why, but the results were pretty much the same in either kind of pot. So if this goes to show you that you can grow potatoes in just about any pot, let's call it that. For more information about growing potatoes in the ground or in pots, visit gardennerd.com, and if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy gardening!